Morning. I have been having a productive morning so far, and I plan to keep it that way for the rest of the day. So I woke up, we did the sauna, I just got out of the shower, just got dressed. I'm wearing a cute little workwear style outfit with some slacks. We are about to do some multitasking. We are gonna do some skincare, so I wanna do this pumpkin enzyme mask. It's my favorite. This is from Etsy. I can link it down below. Today I'm gonna take you along with me, and I'm going to go get my hair done. I have a shopping haul of some packages that came, so I wanna try those on. And then also I'm gonna share what I'm eating throughout the day, of course. So let's get started with this face mask and start making breakfast because I'm super hungry. I love this mask. I've been using it for years. I found it when I was looking for a pumpkin mask with better ingredients, and I ended up finding that on Etsy, and it's just so good. It's really good at exfoliating. I feel like the enzymes really help with any active acne and the part of my cycle, the luteal phase, like right before getting your period. So this for me is where I tend to break out with my PCOS. I have a little bit of an active breakout down there, and this will just help get rid of it quicker. Best part of this is you do only need to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how sensitive your skin is. My skin is sensitive, but strangely not for stuff like this, but I also don't want to like damage my skin barrier. We're gonna leave it on for probably like 5 minutes. By the way, look at my fall nails, the little tortoise shell, so cute. I feel like brown is just really in right now. Like brown had been out for quite a while, and now brown is back in. Right, let's start breakfast. Do you need your second breakfast? Do you need second breakfast? Good girl. The mask is like tingling, so we are going to take this off. I use either clean paper towel. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little hard to get off, and you wanna be kind of gentle, but I either use this or I have those washcloths that are meant to like remove makeup, and those take this off pretty well. That chai protein is really fun for the fall. It has all real spices in it. It's not natural flavors, so that's why I like that brand specifically. But it tastes really good with the blueberry, actually. All done with breakfast. I am gonna go get some work done. Later, I'll probably show you guys what I'm doing for lunch. Then we'll head to my hair appointment. I can't wait. My hair is lightening up again, so we're gonna darken it. Then I really do want to go through and try on the clothing that I got because I ordered from a new place, Commense. I'm sure you've seen advertisements for it. I feel like it's literally everywhere. We'll try that on later. I have Levi's jeans too for the first time, so I'm excited to try those. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, we're making a quick lunch. So we have some grilled chicken meal prepped. We are doing quesadillas. There's grilled chicken, some dairy-free cheese that I like from Miyokos. It's like a mozzarella. And then I like my romaine lettuce in there, so it's kind of like grilled romaine. Jimmy thinks I'm crazy. We also had some sweet potatoes prepped. We are going to heat those up and eat all that. Maybe do some pumpkin seeds too, that sounds good. It's actually more of a taco, as you can see. So this is the Whole Foods almond flour tortillas. It's the same as the Siete ones, and you can see we did them on a griddle and they're holding really nicely. And then, like I said, grilled chicken, mozzarella, nice and tasty. And then I'm toasting some pumpkin seeds. Let's do a quick little taste test. Anytime I eat grilled romaine, it makes me think of Tulum. There's this place there called Burrito Amor. They have these giant coconut tortillas that they make that are burrito size, and they make delicious burritos out of them. And I had that with like some grilled shrimp and fresh vegetables, and they put grilled romaine in it, and it was so good. So it transports me to Tulum. Hey guys, all done with lunch. We just watched an episode of Next Level Chef. I posted a recipe on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, my username is Lauryn Amelia. I share recipes and healthy tips on there. We are going to head out right now to go get my hair done. So like I said earlier, we are going to come back and have some nice darker fall hair right after. Hello, hello. I love it. We went a little bit darker this time, and I just think it is such a pretty shade. The light is hitting it right now so nicely. A trick that I have that, just for me, I think that it is such an underrated trick, but it really, really is so flattering on people. Even if we're not doing highlights like throughout my hair, we do a little bit of a face frame highlight. So you can see right here and right here. I've noticed that when I do this, it makes my hair look like it has been done. It just looks a little bit more put together. And two, I think it's flattering because it really like brings the eye up as well. Because when I used to have more like balayage, my highlights were starting down there. I just noticed this is a lot more flattering. Little tip, if you get your hair done, even if you just dye it, ask them to do something up here, just a little bit of a face frame. Nothing too drastic, but just a little bit lighter, and I feel like it's so flattering and it looks a little bit natural and sun-kissed. Hey guys, I am up here in my office and we are going to do a try-on haul real quick. I have 9 things from Commence, and then I have 2 pairs of jeans from Levi's. So let's try these on and see what we want to keep and what we want to return. Successful overall. Still not sure about those pants. They might have to go back. Let me know what you think. And then this sweater has grown on me as I've been trying it on with other jeans and stuff. I think it's kind of cute, but yeah, let me know your opinion. All right, that's everything. It is 5:36 and I'm really, really hungry. So starting to think about what we're gonna do for dinner based on the ingredients we have. We have some ground beef that I want to make. I think we are going to do that. I have some good king oyster mushrooms and shiitake mushroom, baby broccolini too. We also have this really good egg pasta. If you are looking for a gluten-free pasta, this is the best one. It tastes like homemade. It's honestly so good. Thinking we're gonna do maybe some sort of pasta with the ground beef. I'm trying not to eat tomatoes too much because of acid reflux, and we actually don't have tomato paste anyway, so I need to get creative and think about what might be a good sauce to do with the pasta. I just realized that it's Wednesday, and I spent all day thinking it was Thursday, so there's that. That's a little bit rough when that happens, but I'm hungry, so we're going to start dinner. For the broccolini, I have the oven preheated to 400. I'm gonna use some parchment paper on a baking sheet. We will add the broccolini washed with the ends cut off. Add some oil. We're gonna use avocado oil, some salt, pepper, maybe a little garlic. Keep it really simple. Bake them until they are nice and crispy and softer. I almost forgot to share, I love adding a little bit of lemon pepper to meat. It just makes it taste fresher, so I added a little bit of this as well too, just a sprinkle. This is really tasty. The pasta is almost done. The bread needs a little bit more to toast. And then the broccolini is good to go. If you want to be a good chef, but you're intimidated by adding, like, what type of spices do I add and all that stuff, I really think the biggest thing is tasting the food, like tasting a little bit of it when it's done and ready to cook, and then being like, oh, okay, you know what? I think it needs a little bit more salt, or let me add that lemon pepper. It's always better to start small because you can always add more, but you cannot take things away, right? I would taste it probably as soon as it gets to a point where you can eat it, and then decide, okay, do we need a little bit extra of anything? Dinner is ready, so we are going to enjoy this. I did start the mayo inositol and D-Chiro inositol combo, which is recommended for PCOS, and I have noticed that has really helped with my insulin resistance and my blood sugar in general, and I would say sugar cravings. I actually haven't been constantly craving as much sugar as I normally would. Like some days I'm not even having something sweet after, so we'll see. If I do something, I'll pop it in here. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really means so much, and it's fun having you come along for the day with me. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that button below and you won't miss out on any of my new videos. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys.